Hello guys, this is Perfect Fish 1 here, and today I got a haul of toys and toys. So I'll show you what I bought. So at first I bought this Next model from the Weldy, and it's a Lamborghini Aventador with the official sticker thingy. And second, I bought my first Dart car. It was like $13.99. I don't know if that's very expensive, but I think that is very expensive. Yeah, this is my first Dart car. It's a Porsche 911 GT2. Oh no, I mean GT3. And last, not least, I bought the Matchbox Pierce Dash Fire Engine. It looks pretty cool. So yeah, this has been my small haul. So until next video, this is Perfect Fish 1.